Who are you? Why are you all against me? Where am I? Who are you people? My power. It's gone. I can't win against you. Why did I lose my power?
After a long time unconscious, he suddenly jolts awake.
Listen to me, child. If you want to return to your time, the guardian beast holds a stone. That stone is your way home.
I have my power back.
We are the ones who guard the stone.
Enter here, Stormking. To claim the magic stone, you must face the trials. You must enter here, Stormking. Wait.
Inside the surface of a magic mirror, a fierce battle unfolds. A lone warrior clashes with a dark wizard and a pack of stone beasts.
Is this
Flashes
the
of
stone
blue
you
fire and
seek?
red magic. Epic confrontation shown within the mirror.
Give me your stone.